I was 25 when I really first noticed that my hair was receding. You know, nobody likes to lose their hair. Nobody wants to see it go. Dr. Bolton's office was, as far as I could tell, the research that I did was the best in the area. We were just talking the whole time. I didn't even actually read much of anything. It's awesome. It's like I got my hair back. I feel so much better. I feel so much younger. I feel great, you know. I feel great about my hair. Like, first time I've been the hat guy. I would recommend Dr. Bolton. The staff and everybody was very competent. He exceeded my expectations as far as what I thought I was going to get out of it. Thanks, Dr. Bolton. Appreciate it. Cheers.
I was 20 years old when I first started noticing hair loss. My hair loss made me less confident, so it was harder to go out in public. I wanted to do the procedure because I wanted to regain confidence. It just made me more confident, higher self-esteem. I feel like I need more hair in the future. I'll definitely do it again. But Dr. Bolton actually improved the other scar that I had. I totally recommend it. I enjoyed my experience, and I don't think it could go much better than it did. I'd say thank you. The results speak for themselves.
First started noticing hair loss about 10 years ago. Well, when you lose your hair, you lose confidence. A lot of bald, a lot of forehead. I saw what he was doing and was very impressed. That's why I chose Dr. Bolton. It was painless, totally painless, comfortable procedure. My hair coming back gave me confidence. It made me feel a lot younger. Office and staff were very pleasant. They were easy to work with. I'm very pleased with my results, and I highly recommend Dr. Bolton for anyone. I'd say don't even think twice, just do it. Thank you, Dr. Bolton. I appreciate what you've done for me.
I really didn't inhibit me, but you know, I'll be frank with you, I probably didn't like my picture being taken as often. Well, you know, in my office, I realized I was the oldest guy there, and I was starting to look older and older and older. It was fine. It went much quicker and easier than I thought. I'm just amazed at how many people come up to me and say, you get a great head of hair. Frankly, I lied a couple of times. I said no, but then I went back and told them. Lied to you the first time? I got my hair transplant. And they were amazed. You know, I'd recommend anybody who's losing their hair and is looking for a safe alternative. This is the only way to go. Thanks a lot, Doc.